Hello people of the tube. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a forever loop without using a forever loop. First you need to make a block. Name it whatever you want. I'll just do it 1. Run this out to screen refresh. Hit OK. Then you're going to want to do this. And I'm going to use a variable. Let's make it points. Okay. We're going to change points by 1. Got it? And then we're going to do that. So it's going to be like a forever loop. And yeah, so watch. Ready? See how it's changing instantly? But if you want to make it slower, let's go and edit it. If you don't do run without screen refresh, it will do this. Let me set it to 0. Set points to 0. And look. It will go up fast and it will be more accurate. There is another way I want to show you. Just give me a second. Okay, and this will do basically the same thing. See? And there's one more way I want to show you. It is really simple. All you're going to need to do is go here. When we need to create a new message, I'll just name it 1. Doesn't matter. We are going to want to broadcast. When this is click, and then we're going to broadcast it again. Message 1. We're just going to change by 1. Change points by 1, and let's set that. And there you go. It's another way, but it might not be as fast. It's not that fast. But if you want to change it, you can do by 2. Maybe 10. I'll do 10. Or you could do 1,000. Or 1,000,000. Or 1,000,000,000. Or never end. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. So bye!